Finding the right hairstylist is never easy, especially in London. You really are spoilt for choice. But I'm bringing you to the King's Canary for one reason and one reason only. These guys have got so much experience and they are cutting killer haircuts day in, day out. Come and see what it's all about. Place where you can be wined and styled at the very same time. You can sit back, enjoy your personal hairstyling service whilst enjoying a glass of wine, a pint of beer, or just a coffee. And trust me, that service is definitely keeping us Londoners happy. Now, if all that isn't enough, head over to their new East London branch, where they're also serving up a tasty vegan and vegetarian menu too. This is more than just a salon. I'm Christy from Big Review TV, and if you're looking for a hairstylist in London, get yourself down to the King's Canary. There's only one place to be.